Hi, to factory reset your CMF phone one. Firstly, let's open settings. And if you don't want to lose all of your data, then you'll need to perform backup. For that, in the search bar, you can manually enter backup and simply go in this first tab. And you'll see this option to backup your Google account. So you can tap this button and backup your account. Now after that, scroll down and find the System tab, and in the settings we will need to scroll down again and we'll see reset options. So here we got few features in which we need to select to erase all data, which is factory reset. So just tap it, and here you'll see this list of data which will be erased from your phone. So basically you will need to set up this device again after factory reset. If you are willing to do this, then tap this blue button, erase all data. And now you need to confirm your pattern, PIN code or password. In my case, it is pattern. And confirm again that you want to erase all data by tapping blue button. And after that, your phone will turn off. It would be rebooted. It will turn back on and you need to set it up once more. So yeah, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.